What's up, Lola? Remember when I said I was going to start doing my fall decor? Today is the day. But I have to get around all this mess over here to get to my fall decor, or it may even be over here somewhere. The problem is, I'm going to tell y'all what the problem is. The problem is when I took my fall and my Christmas decor down last year, and then I got other stuff, I just didn't bother to put stuff back on the shelves. Like I'm looking at this bin right here. This bin right here has Christmas stuff in it. There's more Christmas stuff down here. Puzzles that I put together. Christmas stuff, and you can see a little bit of the fall stuff back there and up there. So what I need to do is put everything back where it belongs so that I can get to the bins with all of the fall stuff. So let me get started. Wait a minute, I didn't even welcome you guys to the vlog. What's up, Lola Riders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official Lola Rider. Okay, see you in the vloggy vlog. Okay, my Lola Riders, it's about to be an adventure, you know, organizing this stuff. Even though it's after, you guys will see, but it's just stuff is not put where it's supposed to be. I didn't put back my Christmas decorations or fall decorations where they were supposed to be in 2024. And then I kept buying other stuff, and it kept getting to be more and more stuff. In the garage, my son came out, asked me, I'm like, get your ass back out and here and help. So, yeah, and I have new tables in my living room, and I put the old tables in the garage, along with a couple of chairs. It's just like stuff is just everywhere, you guys. So right now I'm just getting it together. Yeah. Yeah. So watch me as me and my son get stuff together, and I might make this video even faster than it's going right now. So yeah, I'm just ready to throw stuff away, because at this point it's ridiculous. I'm just gonna start throwing stuff away. But you guys will see how it looks after I get it organized. Okay, my little riders, I don't know what the heck done got into me, but I moved the table that was in front of the sofa. I moved it and took the rug up because I want to put a different rug down. There was a rug in the garage that I saw I could use because it has the fall colors in it. And guess what? They say shop your house. I definitely shopped my house. You guys will see. You will see. Because I covered up my sofa because I wanted it to be, the theme would be blue, gray, and white, and it was for a long time. But I love the color of my sofa, and it's an autumn color, so guess what? I'm taking those off so we can do autumn covers. And I'm going to lay the rug down and put the coffee table back and situate the pillows. You guys, this is probably going to be a 2-part video because I didn't realize how much fall stuff that I did. I did a lot this day, but then the next day I did something, and then the next day I did something. I just wanted to get it done. And truth be told, I'm not even done yet. I just have to get 2 rugs and some blind shears to go behind that sofa to bring out the artwork that you guys are going to see up there. Okay, finish watching the video. What's up, my Lowriders? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official Lowrider. You guys, today I'm headed to Goodwill to drop some stuff off. And I'm gonna pop in to see if they have any little cheap like rugs, like autumn rugs that have the autumn colors in them. And what else? I was going to see if they had some shears in there, but I shopped my house, you guys, and I found some brown shears. So let me see if you guys can see. I need to steam them. I got my steamer out too. Need to be steamed. And I have most of my fall stuff in. And I said I want to get some artwork. I brought artwork that was upstairs, downstairs. So with that being said, let me show you guys the artwork. Hold up, let me turn this off so I can show you guys properly, okay? Because me doing all this trolling around gonna make me dizzy. Okay, yeah, guys, I brought this down. It's the fall colors. This picture and that picture are coming down. I'm gonna go get some canvases and some paint, and I'm gonna make my own pictures. And then there's the brown shears with the white. I didn't have beige, so I'm gonna make it do what it do with the white. And I'm gonna leave these white ones up over here. Why is my camera not focusing? Am I moving too fast? Okay. Then I got my fall pillows. Let me see what they look like close up. Artwork. That was upstairs. Artwork. That was upstairs. A fan that I thought was broken, I was gonna throw out, and my son fixed it. I used to have it in my bedroom, but I set it right here because I'm downstairs most of the time, and this is better than the air conditioner. So, and then more pillows. Always grateful. Count your blessings. And then over here, I have these. I have to fluff that one up because something is wrong with that one. These pillows and these pillows over here with the brown. You can't see it right now. I need to close this because the sun is coming down this way. Let me close these blinds, y'all, because it will get hot real quick in here. See, now you can see that it's brown with the same whites. And then I have my wreath that I want to put on my door. This rug, this is why I want a rug with the fall colors, because this is coming up. And then I brought this out of my room with these, and I'm gonna find a candle for that and some fluff for this. I guess that's what you call it, fluff. Okay, and I got my little pumpkins up right here and my little hello fall sign. And then on this table I have my books and my book stands that were in the garage. Thankful, Grateful, Blessed, Little Pumpkin, Friends Gather, and a little pumpkin. And I changed the curtains in here. I have the blackout browns. They look black on camera right now, but they're brown. And the white shears. And what does I do? Okay, I took the blue artwork down. I have this and this. Come on now. And this. It says, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures forever. And it does, you guys. And all of this basically just stayed the same. My little coffee station. So with that, and I need a rug for my kitchen, but this blue rug definitely has to go. But it's looking cozy, and I need a couple of candles. So I think, oh, what else I need to do is I'm gonna buy some covers for. Let me see if you can see better right here. Take these blue ones off and get some. What color y'all think I should get? Tan, brown, or rust? I don't know. I have to think about that. I don't know. Because we got enough brown. But brown will do good though. Or the color of the sofa. I don't know. I'll figure it out, you guys. But yeah, this is where I got so far with my fall decorations. All I have to do is get 2 rugs. A kitchen rug and the front of the living room rug. And 2 canvases and some paint to make some custom pictures. Oh, let me show you what else I brought down here. I brought this down here for this corner. That was upstairs. And why do these things keep turning? Oh. Okay, and I brought that down here. I'll situate those, but one thing better not break. That little stand right there was upstairs. And what else? This was upstairs too. And these lamps were in my bedroom because I had the blue lamps down here. So I swapped the lamps out because I didn't want blue with all the neutral colors. So with that being said, you guys, I am getting ready to head out and go to Goodwill to drop some stuff off to donate and come back home. And I will see you guys at Goodwill.